Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And is it hot in my workshop? It's already 8 a.m. and it's 83 degrees in here, even though I've had my wall shaker on for an hour. So, and I didn't record the temperature when I started. Anyway, this is another one of the radios from Jeff. He's loaning me these radios to review on my show. This is an AM/FM hi-fi solid state 10 transistor radio, and it's made by Hong Kong. Yep, that's all it says on the box is Hong Kong. Complete with accessories. Get that back in view. I'm looking at my notes. He says it's a generic radio. Yeah, I believe that's true. Let's open the box here. There it is. Let's see, any name? Nope, just says 10 transistors and 4 diodes. 4 diodes. You know, I think I did this one. The reason I say that is because of the switch on the back. So there's probably another one that I did that had that switch on the back. I think that's true. If it's a duplicate, it's a duplicate. I don't remember this box though. And there is the accessories. Pretty for excuse for an earphone. So I'll put that back down. Close the box up. And let me just read what his notes tell me. 10 transistor pocket radio, paid $15 on eBay, and he paid $35 to Radio Attic for recapping and fixing any of the circuits. As one would expect for a generic radio, decent, not bad, not great, fair reception, decent sounding. Interesting radio, but if I had to do it again, I'd choose something else. Okay, so let's put that aside. Take a look at this thing. We'll zoom in. Oh, I'm already zoomed in. Ooh. That's it. That's as far as we go. So the tuning dial and a tuning knob or button is right there. And if you look closely, you can see that, if I can get the reflections off, you can see there's 2 red arrows in there. They're moving. One pointing to the AM scale and one pointing to the FM scale. Feels like it's got a battery in it. Feels heavy enough to have a battery. Let's find out. No battery. Okay, but we can look at inside while we're here. Now, what's interesting is this looks like, it's not the same of course, but it looks very much like the circuitry in that Thompson radio, tabletop radio. It's a replica, but it had a circuit board about this size. Now, of course, this one has a hole in the circuit board for the speaker magnet to stick through. So that, I guess it's just like it, not exactly. So we need to see if we can get a 5-volt battery. Yes, we do. I haven't even turned this on, so might be in for a surprise here. Let me make sure it's turned off. Yeah, it's turned off. We'll connect the battery. Let's get the polarity right. That would help. Snap that on, there we go, and then that lays down there, and then the cover goes over like this, and there we go. Okay, here we go. Is it going to work? Turn it on. Yeah? Okay, let me tune it in. I'm on AM. Lots of AM stations around me. I apologize for the noise on the air conditioner because it is hot in here. So I got to have that on. There we go. Turn it down a little bit.
Helping us right here in Tampa Bay plan for successful
That was maximum volume.
He does it alongside
Okay, that's about
lovely wife.
mid,
They've been doing
which is
this
plenty
for
loud for me.
30 years now, and they'd love to help you. Maybe you're getting closer to retirement. You don't have a plan?
Very clean.
To yourself to be in touch with Steve, and as I mentioned, we're going to tell you how to do that.
I don't see, well, there's some scratches right there, but that's it. It actually looks like that's where the lanyard was rubbing up against there. Even though this is plastic. See what else we can tune. Oop, that's a volume. I can't tune with the volume button. Okay, it's only picking up the strongest stations in my area. Only getting about 3 stations. Let's go to FM, and it has a telescopic antenna for FM. It's about 20 inches. Let's turn the volume back up, and we will tune FM. Let's see, did I turn it? There we go. Nah, reception's not too good. I got a lot of strong FM stations, and I'm not getting very many of them. Yeah, not too good. Let's see. 98 point something is a very strong station. There it is. Pretty weak. Yeah. So the reception is pretty poor, even on FM and medium wave or AM. So that's it. Oh, there's the earbud jack, and that's about it. Again, I thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. And we're going to go from, of the 12 he loaned me this time, I would say this is the worst. And we're going to go in the next show of Jeff's radios to the best he loaned me, which, Jeff, I might lose it accidentally and not return it. So we're going to go from one extreme to the other. It just worked out that way. Alrighty, I got to take the battery out of here before I put it back in the box, which I'll do off camera. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.